changes the prism complete right. If they are malafide, then we look at them at very suspect eyes. Or you take away this allegation. I'm not saying take it away, it's your call.
I'll be totally non-political in my arguments, Your Lordship. As always, there's no point in bringing, although it's relevant to a political party, this case, but I will keep it very legal. And on the facts, on the malafide in fact and law, I will be more relying on procedural malafide than anything else. I'm not going to.
Are you withdrawing the allegation of malafide in fact? Because it's very important. You have to answer this.
When I use the word malafide in fact, maybe I was wrong in saying in terms of.
So you can withdraw it if you want to. I'll withdraw it if you don't want to.
I'm not even going there into that arena. I am basically going to argue that there's a procedure clear cut on the.
I don't think that you are withdrawing your. You're not saying malafide.
I'm not saying malafide in fact.
Proceed. In that. You are always fair. Please proceed.
Now, Your Lordship, so I was starting by saying that symbol is a fundamental right of a political party under Article 17, Sub-Article 2. And I am not saying that Your Lordship said back it up. I will back it up with a judgment which is known as the famous symbols case.
Benazir Bhutto case. I think both parties are relying on the same judgment.
They are not. They are relying on the other Benazir Bhutto judgment of 88. I am relying on the 89 judgment.
So, citation please.
It is PLD 89 Supreme Court,
1989 Supreme Court,
66.
It is 66.
12 judges sat on this case, and it's basically all about symbol.
Relevant page.
I will just read that relevant page. But before that, Your Lordship, let us look at the effect of no symbol.
No, wait a second. At least the fundamental question is, if elections are proper, I for one don't think that you should be deprived of the symbol. So can this, when you citing Benazir Bhutto, was it a question of inter-party elections or no?
No. It was a question that a symbol was the symbol was then taken away.
You can't just deprive someone of their symbols. But here it is connected with the party election.
My point
because certification, suppose there is a particular time within which you have to file a certificate. You don't comply with the time. I don't think it's such a relevant thing that the person should be deprived of their fundamental rights or even normal rights. So when we read this judgment, we'll have to consider the fact that it was not a question where the political party had not held elections. Yes, who can deny the importance of a symbol?
But my reason for reading this judgment will be simply different. My reason for reading this judgment would be to show to this honorable court that a symbol is not just a right of a political party. Symbol is a right of the illiterate millions of people of Pakistan who rely on the symbol for the purposes of exercising their right of vote. They rely on a political party symbol for the purposes of...
Zafar, I think maybe it's to find a point of what... I don't disagree with you at all. But... So I... No, but पूरी बात सुन लें. मगर मैं कुछ और कह रहा हूँ. जी. एक नाम होता है ना. Political party is a name, but at the end of the day, political party कौन होते हैं? जो लोग उसको कंट्रोल कर रहे हैं. ठीक है जी. कल कोई जासूस घुस जाए किसी पॉलिटिकल पार्टी में, उसको एक कागज का टुकड़ा पेश करने के जी हम ये पॉलिटिकल पार्टी बन गए. आपकी पार्टी का नहीं कह रहा, कोई और पॉलिटिकल पार्टी. ठीक है. वो उसी के मेंबर आएंगे जी, इलेक्शन नहीं हुआ, ये कैसे आ गए? तो पॉलिटिकल पार्टी की जब बात आप कर रहे हैं, तो पॉलिटिकल पार्टी तो इनएनिमेट ऑब्जेक्ट है. एक नजरिए को रिफ्लेक्ट करती है, एक कुछ लोगों की समझ को रिफ्लेक्ट करती है. हम ये देखना चाहते हैं कि वो तरीकेकार हुआ या नहीं हुआ, और वो एक ही तरीके से हो सकता है इलेक्शन. अगर इलेक्शन, या तो आप कहें कि जी पॉलिटिकल पार्टी इलेक्शन करे या ना करे, ये हमारी मर्जी. एक